In this video, we will demonstrate how to assemble the mechanical movement to the dial, and how to assemble our watch case from our gentleman's watchmaker kit. On the one hand, we present you the elements of the GRIGRI watch's gentleman's watchmaker kit. The kit consists of the dial, the case, the movement, the hands and all the parts to assemble your watch yourself. It is important to take care, as indicated on the small paper here, to remove the defects and the fixing pastes, because these must be unscrewed before inserting the spacer ring. The first step is the installation of the spacer ring. The spacer ring, that will allow to space the date wheel from the back of the dial, avoiding that the date wheel touches the bottom of the dial. Up there, I show you where the feet of the dial are, because it's on his feet that we're going to insert the movement. Then we set up the movement by fixing the movement on the feet of the dial inside, careful not to twist the feet. Then the feet of the dial are locked with the small screws located on each side of the movement. Next step, we remove the crown and the stem. To remove the crown, locate the small pusher, and by pushing this pusher, the crown and the crown stem are removed at the same time. Once you've positioned the watch case on the dial, you turn it over while keeping the support behind, to avoid the movement to fall back. Remember to remove the dust with the Rodico, which is included in your kit. Then set up the watch case and check the dial with it. Then, we turn the case over, to install the case mouvement retaining ring, by placing it on the case. This way, you can take your screws, that you had, previously, unscrewed from the movement spacer ring. Finally, you can screw back, in order to lock the back of the case, and wind the crown. The last step is to put the crown back. Finally, you can close the back case, being very careful not to slip or not to scratch it. And here is your watch is water resistant to 50 meters.